like that worked. That just fell out when I saw him. So I respectfully told him, your name is going to be Bob Thick and Juicy's Potato Head. And he agreed. And I also talked to the people who were in his stream who supported him, and they also let me know that they would remind him of changing his name. In addition to that, the next day, because I saw that his name hadn't been changed, I emailed him or DM'd him on Instagram to let him know how I wanted his name so that he didn't get it incorrect and he could just copy and paste. He never responded. Okay. And then the next day, still his name hadn't been changed. So me and a couple of my trusted friends all went over to his live to see why his name had not been changed yet. And he assured me, him and the guy in his box at the time assured me that they were going to make sure that his name got changed. It did not happen that night. But Wednesday, when I went to search for him, it was about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. His name had been changed, and I was very happy. I went to go say hi. I think I gave him a wheel, and then I left. The next morning, his name had been changed again, back to the original name.
Oh, me good.
Bad enough it took till Wednesday, and I bought him on Sunday, and he has not changed it back since.
Oh.
And that is my case.
Ladies and gentlemen, you have just heard testimony from Ms. Thick and Juicy, who is the plaintiff. Checking in, we are now on the case of breach of contract. We will be now hearing remarks from the defendant himself. We will now.
It was a tournament. If you win, you move forward the next day. Anybody who was there, if you know Dow, Legs to the Roof, Thiller the Goof, any of these people, you know what it was. You know what I'm saying?
Can I ask you, did you move forward? Did you make it to the next round?
I made it to the next round. Spoiler alert, stop playing with me. So I made it to the next round. Spoiler alert, I did keep my name the same. I thought I was going to lose. I went against Vanessa Bain. Yo, that's Saturday to Saturday. So after that Saturday hit, I kept my name the same. A week had been up. Circumstances just wasn't in her favor at that point, respectfully. And that's not me. Yo, anybody who knows me knows I don't break the rules. You know what I'm saying?
Drafted by the defendant. As she stated, she purchased said client on a Sunday for 40K diamonds. She went into his live, noticed that his name was not changed on a Tuesday. I also have an inbox from my client, Ms. Bob Stick and Juicy, that says, so you don't like your name? I'm sorry?
Receipts. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to cut you off. I just said the courthouse loves receipts. That's all.
Yeah, absolutely. Definitely have receipts, in which I want to just point out that the defendant chose to, deactivate or close his Instagram, not quite sure, but she did send him a message saying, so you don't like your new name or you don't want to change it. And she proceeded to give him the name that he needed to have, which was Bob's Thick and Juicy _ Potato Head. And the defendant did not respond to my client. So on Wednesday, he changed his name for one stream. And then my client noticed that he went back.
It was a kind of low, so she didn't want him to feel bad. She wanted to give him a lot of love, and she did. So it shouldn't have to take us coming into his stream like the cartel to remind him to do it. And so at that time, he put up his phone, his second device, and he told us it's dead, but I'm about to charge it. So we said we're waiting for you to charge it. We got time. We ain't got nothing but time.
Thank you, Your Honor. So, Mr. Hughes, a few things that were a little appalling to me. You stated that you were bought in an auction by Raider Rob, and you were also bought in an auction by Juicy, and you chose Juicy first.
Correct.
Is that correct? Okay. So you then previously stated that you have proper streamer etiquette. Is that correct? Okay, so as you know, Rob uses money to purchase diamonds, as well as Bob Stick and Juicy uses money to purchase diamonds. So would you say that was a conscious effort that they made to purchase you in those auctions? Wasn't frivolous. Even if it was converted diamonds, either way it goes, they still chose to buy you. Did you not agree?
Correct.
Okay, so why is it that you didn't give neither one of these people their value? And you also said that you.
I'm asking for what I'm asking for, and I think I deserve it because this has been weeks that I've been dealing with this. Lawyer.
Yes, I just want to echo what my client just stated. I feel that the defendant is definitely guilty. The anguish that my client has had to go through for her to get what was justly owed to her, for her spending 40K diamonds on him when before she came, he was only going for 10. So he definitely should have worn her name with a badge of honor, like most people do when they're bought by Box Thick and Juicy. And being that he didn't want to give her the rest, her full time, the 6 days. Again, as stated, we want the 40K diamonds that was spent, as well as another 40K in diamonds, and we want those in wheels. And the countersuit, Your Honor, definitely we will not be giving anything to the defendant because there was no defamation of character here at all. I believe the defendant's character spoke for himself. He put his foot in his mouth several times during this trial. And so, yeah, that's all we want.
Right now, which is against the rules that she stated in the beginning of this court that she swore to tell nothing but the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. One day is definitely a direct fit. I had it in there for 5. This much is a fact. She said that she came in 3 times. Spoiler alert, she came in once. Well, yo, people will say anything when they ready to win. You feel what I'm saying? When you're ready to win, you say whatever, you know what I'm saying? Come to mind. Stop playing with me. But whole time I got to sit here and eat that. I got to eat that slander. I got to, like the defamation of character. I got to eat that.
And slow down. Please slow down while you're in the courthouse, ladies and gentlemen. There's too much commotion in the court, ladies and gentlemen. Please slow down. Okay? Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Please slow down while you're in the courthouse. You know, the judge is a little old. Y'all know the judge is a little old, ladies and gentlemen. The judge is old, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, y'all know the routine. When you get in this box, I just need to hear guilty or not guilty. Please slow down. Please slow down.
Your Honor, when people are taking up multiple auctions and doing battle royales, they need to prioritize. 2 names can't go into somebody's name. You could put more than one name in a name. It can be a slash and it could be done.
Indeed.
So in the case of breach of contract between Mr. Hughes and Thick and Juicy, case number 021, Mr. Hughes is found guilty of all charges.
Ladies and gentlemen, it wasn't enough Supreme Court. Mr. MX Hughes have been found guilty of all charges, ladies and gentlemen, of the breach of contract case.
And Your Honor, another thing, this is Supreme Court, not municipal court.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is not municipal court.
Not municipal court. Please tell your witnesses, if they are ordered to come to court on Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, please tell them to come to court prepared. Come to court prepared. Dressed. Today, everyone was dressed to par because we're taking this court serious. This is a featured show. So please, if you have witnesses, please talk to your witnesses and let them know when they come to court, they should be prepared to come into court.
Thank you, Secretary. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have any comments about the court case today, please approach the stand. Please approach the stand if you have any comments on the court case today.